This is a set. Do not separate. This comes to us from Lufthansa. This is a Dunkive 2-pack air horn for safety. An air horn for dogs. I don't know if the Ratty Pack, I don't think I want my Ratty Pack having these air horns. They're already nagging enough as is about food and going outside. If I give them access to this air horn, I will never know peace. Actually, this would be a great thing for Yappy to carry in her pocket while she's walking the dogs, because we do have coyotes. You certainly don't want to put that up to anybody's ear directly, but that's pretty dang loud. Do it again. That's loud. Actually, you can put that in your boat and you're compliant with boating laws. Yeah. Stick it in your pocket. Keeps coyotes away, keeps dogs away. It'll even keep human predators away. All right, now I gotta go do some work.